Hey everyone, the Narwal J5 Max, the latest flagship robot vacuum and mop from Narwal, has recently been launched in China, and it stands out as a powerful and innovative cleaning machine. One of its most impressive features is its remarkable suction power of 18,500 pascals, achieved through Narwal's proprietary cyclone dust collection technology. This makes it a highly effective tool for tackling even the most stubborn dirt and debris. Both options cater to different user needs, with the latter offering added convenience for those seeking a more hands-off experience. Narwal has placed a strong emphasis on hardware improvements that enhance everyday usability. These components are designed to minimize manual maintenance and improve cleaning efficiency. The side brush has a unique movable design that naturally sheds hair and directs debris into the dust intake, while the roller brush's conical shape and aerodynamic design spiral hair inward, preventing tangles. These innovations translate to less time spent detangling and more time enjoying clean home. In terms of intelligence, J5 Max is packed with advanced features. It includes AI-powered single-lens vision system capable of identifying over 100 common household objects. This allows the robot to navigate cluttered spaces with ease, avoiding obstacles and ensuring thorough cleaning. Additionally, Narwal's Dirt Sense 3.0 system detects dirt levels in real time and adjusts cleaning strength accordingly. When areas are particularly dirty, the system automatically doubles the vacuuming and mopping efforts, ensuring a deeper clean without requiring user intervention. The robot also takes care of itself with features like automatic mop cleaning, antibacterial hot water rinsing at temperatures between 45 degrees Celsius and 75 degrees Celsius, and dust bags that can last up to 90 days before needing replacement. These self-maintenance features add to the overall convenience and hygiene of the device. The base station is equally impressive, offering smart drying, self-emptying, and automatic water exchange on the higher-end model. This ensures that the J5 Max is always ready for its next cleaning session. Powered by a 5,200 mAh battery, the robot promises up to 3 hours of continuous cleaning, making it suitable for larger homes. The design is sleek and minimalist, blending seamlessly into modern living spaces. Narwal's J5 Max enters a competitive market, with rivals like Roborock's G30 Space Robot Vacuum, which boasts features such as a 5-axis robotic arm for object pickup, 22,000 pascal suction, hot water mopping, and advanced AI navigation. However, the J5 Max holds its own with its combination of powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and self-maintenance capabilities. Overall, the Narwal J5 Max is a well-rounded and highly capable cleaning device that offers both convenience and performance, making it a strong contender in the premium robot vacuum and mop category. Thanks for watching. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.